Hello, friends. You're going to hear the steamer in the background. Can't do anything about that. But what I want to talk about today is something a little different. Now, I'm cold, so because we had a cold front move in, so I'm all bundled up in my own house. But this is the shower door that I bought this house 9 years ago. And this shower door has never been the clean that it's supposed to be. Not because I didn't clean it, but because I couldn't get it clean. So I was doing some thinking about it after I took my shower this morning. And it occurred to me, maybe I could use the steamer on it. I want to see if APC and the steamer will get this looking better, because this is like soap scum and all of that, and I want to see if it cleans it properly. This is the cleanest it is up here, obviously, because the water's not going to reach up there, but you can feel the difference as you go down. You can feel it. So anyway, let's clean the shower door. Let's see how it works. Okay, so I have my steamer wand. You've seen this in all the videos that I've made with this. And what I have is the little bonnet that's supposed to go on here. So I'm just going to leave the brush on and I'm going to put the bonnet on. But first, I'm going to spray it with APC and let it sit for a sec. And then we'll see. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the obvious, easy part. Okay? So then we'll work our way down to the less easy part, and then we will work to our hard part. So let's see how it does. Nothing came off. Looks pretty darn good, don't you think? Okay, I got to bring you closer. You got to check this out. And you can see where I stopped. Okay, so you can see the line here where I stopped. So now let's try this second portion. I'm excited. That looks like it's actually going to work. I'm going, man, I didn't think anything would work. I've tried even CLR. Let it sit for a minute. Okay, here we go. I don't know. Maybe another round? I don't know. It's much better than it was. Okay, you can see the line right here. All right, that is where I left off. Now it feels better, but it's not quite. I mean, there are places where it did come clean, but there's places where it hasn't. It's improved. So, for the sake of argument, I'm going to do it again. So what am I using? I'm using Zep. This is stuff you can get at Walmart. Because if I'm going to make a video like that, I'm going to use the cheapest stuff possible so that other moms can do it too if they've got a steamer. I'm not being generous with that stuff either. I'm just going to coat it up. Ooh. Maybe a second treatment is what it needed. Okay, so it is wiped off. It has dramatically improved. I don't know. I'm thinking it might do some decent work. But it also could be, to be brutally honest, that because I've not been able to clean this or get it clean for years, that it might just be set in. But I want to see, this is the very hard part. Now, I've sprayed 3 times APC, so it's all gone down. So let's hope that has worked in our favor. So I'm going to do this hard part right here and see if I can get this clean. Okay, don't let it sit. Well, it's streaking a little bit. Let's take a look at it. So, what do you think? It doesn't have that gritty buildup anymore. But it's kind of slimy, like it's being broke up by the product or the steamer. I'd say slimy. It's kind of slick. Does that make sense? So, well, number one, be careful with your product if you're in an enclosed space, especially a small one. I'm not giving this much pressure. I'm just allowing it to glide over. Ew. my. That was some gunk falling. Did you see it? It was like that grime was breaking loose just by using the steamer. Let's take a look at this. This feels really clean now, just by using that, but it doesn't look that way. So I'm not sure if that's just years of not being able to get it clean. This is a 20-year-old mobile home, so anything is possible. So as you see, this is much, much cleaner than it was, and I'll take it. I'm not going to complain about that at all. Especially considering what it was and what I've been fighting with for years. So, now it's time to put away this steamer. So, I took the brush off, and now I'm going to use up what's left in the steamer and clean up this shower a little bit. I hope you all have a wonderful day. This will just give you another little thing you can use your steamer on, or let Mama use it. See you later.